In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a resume to Wix. To begin, open your Wix editor. This is where you will make changes to your site and add the resume file that visitors can access. Once the editor is open, go to the page where you want the resume to appear. This is usually an About page, a Contact page, or a dedicated resume page, depending on how your site is organized. The main goal is to place the resume somewhere that is easy for visitors to find. After you are on the correct page, look to the left sidebar and click on Add Elements. This is the section that lets you place new items onto your website, including buttons, text, images, and more. Since a resume is usually shared as a downloadable file, a button is one of the easiest and cleanest ways to present it. From the Add Elements menu, select Button and drag a button onto your page. If you already have a button on the page that you want to use, you can simply select that instead. Place the button in a spot that makes sense within your layout, and make sure it is visible and easy to click. A clear label such as Resume or Download Resume works well because it tells visitors exactly what the button is for. Once the button is selected, click the link icon in the floating menu. This opens the linking options for that button. From the menu, choose Document. This option allows you to connect the button to a file rather than another page or an external website. Next, click Choose File to upload your resume. A PDF format is recommended because it keeps your formatting consistent across devices and is easy for most people to open. After the file uploads, select the uploaded document and click Add to Page. At this point, the button is now linked to your resume file. The final step is to publish your site. This is important because the changes will not be visible to your visitors until the site is published. After publishing, it is a good idea to test the button yourself to make sure the resume opens correctly and that everything works as expected. That covers everything you need to know.